Welcome back to the Global Local Top Tips, and today lemon and yogurt muffins. One of my favorites. So many people have been asking me for my best recipe of muffins, and I'm going to show you that today. Let's get stuck in. So to get started with our muffins, I've got some flour here in a bowl, and I'm going to be using self-raising flour today. And I'll put all the ingredients just below the video so you can follow along at home. I've got caster sugar, baking powder, vegetable oil, very important. A lot of people think butter is going to be better for muffins, and it's actually the opposite. Vegetable oil keeps them nice and soft. I've got 3 eggs. And I've got some natural yogurt. And you can use sweetened yogurt if you want. It's natural yogurt. I'm going to be putting vanilla and lemon in there, so it's going to be a waste of flavour. I've got some vanilla seed. And I've got 2 lemons, and I just want to zest them in there. And you know, I've seen hundreds of different recipes for muffins and cupcakes over the years, and the traditional way would be to cream, butter, sugar, add in eggs and flour, almost like a Madeira mixture. And again, there's nothing wrong with that, but it's unnecessary for a lot of the recipes. So I'm just going to zest in 2 lemons, and if you like it really lemony, you can put in more. Perfect. And just with a whisk, break it all up. And again, you can do this in a mixture, but for such a small amount, it mightn't be necessary. So just till it's nice and smooth. And again, this is a great one for if you've got kids at home and you want to occupy them for 15-20 minutes. This is a really great way of doing it. So my mixer's ready, and I've just got some little tins here that I like to use. You can use paper ones, or you can use them straight into your muffin tray. Just line them up. And so you just want to scoop them in. The way I like to do it is I like to give it 1 big spoon into each one and then go back and even it up. Otherwise you have the tendency to start loading one up more than the other. In the oven, 180 Celsius for 30 minutes. So our muffins have turned out perfectly. 30 minutes in the oven. They've crisped up beautifully on the outside. They're nice and soft in the middle. What more do you want? If you enjoy our videos and you'd like to support us in the future, please consider joining our Patreon group. There's some awesome extras, Q&A sessions, our upcoming cookbooks, and some unseen videos. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future. Hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon. We'll see you soon.